Arts education in California has been underfunded and deprioritized for far too long. But the Arts in Music in Schools Funding Act, or Prop 28, is now law, and it guarantees funding for arts education PK through 12th grade. The funds are meant to supplement and expand existing arts education programming, not supplant or replace them. The money can go toward hiring teachers and staff, art supplies and materials, as well as teacher training and more. Using these funds to replace existing arts education funding or programs violates the law and should be reported immediately to Prop 28 at createca.org. Create California has resources to help schools and communities ensure the success of this exciting new law. Remember, the Ed Code promises that every school offers visual art, dance, music, and theater every day. Arts education is essential for the success of every student. For more information on implementing Prop 28, sign up for our newsletter at createca.org.